by and take a look at the 2018 Regal. Buick Regal is based on the European Opel Insignia. The Regal is as much a sports sedan as it is a family sedan and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, heated steering wheel, electronic stability control, power windows, Sirius satellite radio. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.